make sure you have the layer stuff. Yeah, this is the latest upgraded version of gdevelop 5. So please subscribe, like the videos, and many other things I share. And I hope you guys subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I know there's a lot of you out in this already, but I'm just making my 2019 version of gdevelop 5 hardcore coins, and it's a platform game. So yeah, first I just started off by creating a global variable. I think that should be the first thing you do, because you're gonna, if you check out my video how to use global variables, this can also be set for health, using as money, coins, anything, and I will show you how to use it. Global variables can go between more than one scene than just using a normal variable for that scene. So I best thing to use. So let's call this coin score. I guess that's what I'm gonna call it. And coin score, coin scores, and let's say that. And let's create text next. This text is gonna represent the coins, or show the coins. Let's call this coins score as well. And let's give the size of 60. And just say yes, and just put it on the screen. When I press play, and see it's gonna move like that. We don't want that, so let's add this object and put a GUI layer so it doesn't move. I created this layer. Check out my other videos. That's gonna show you how to do those stuff. And yeah, like how to get things not moving in the background like these. So now we're gonna make it represented. So we're gonna say no, let's just create the coins next. I already draw an image of the coins that I had. So yeah, coin, and this is gonna give you 5. It's gonna call that coin 5. Can give you when you collide with this, it's gonna give you 5. And as what we show here now, if you drop on this, nothing happens, and that's our coin that I created. So let's go in here, create a group, and just call this coins. Let's create some events, and say when when player collide with coins, delete coins, and add, I'm going variables here, I'm going to global variables, and just say coin score, add 5. That's what we want to show you guys. So let's go here. Now when we color with this, nothing's happening here, nothing's changing. But but the coin still eat, but we are getting it, getting the points. Now let's show you how to do that. And so you're gonna go here and go into text object. I'm going to modify the text coins and say set it equal to the global variable of coin score. And let's go here, press play. You can see say 0. I'll go bing, it's adding there. Add 5. Let's just create some more, get some more. So as you can see now, money points is adding to this, but I want to add something extra. So let's just go back in here, and you can go do this, that, and just make sure you add a plus sign, and you can just say M I no coins coin. I just add like this. And let's just go here, and you can see that you see coins there. Let's just small this up, either better size. 40. Yes, there we go. That's much better, and it doesn't have any life to it. So let's just add an audio, and the audio here going to play a sound. I already created like a sound of like a coin sound when you call it coins. But that's my coin. So yeah, you make that kind of loud noise. I don't want to. Let's say if what is 15 p.m. So let's play here. So there you go. It's much more better like that. Let's create some more. So it's that simple to create coins in gdevelop if you're making like coin collection card again. Yeah, so guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, and yeah, share. Wait, let's just call it make some more. Like uh coin gold. This is give you 10. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching.